Hey all lovely people out there, welcome back to my channel Space of Smiles. Myself Dr. Namrata. Today I'll be unboxing one of the new gadget of my clinic is Endomotors and Apex Locator. This is from one of the finest brand is from Woodpecker. So I have one new generation, that is generation 5, and these products are very useful when you are doing root canals as they will give you the perfect treatment and less time consumption. So I'll be unboxing it today and we'll be seeing what all things are there in the box. I am using this from so many years, but this is the new version and the new generation, so it will come with more perfection, right? So a lot of things are there inside. So first we'll be opening the Apex Locators. Can you see? These have a very good screen, so we can read it very nicely. See, it's very big and very stable. You gotta stand here, so this will give you a good stabilizing, like it's not going to fall down, it's not going to shake much. We have a catalog book along with this, so those who are using it for the first time, you can just read the details, how it works. It tells you about each and everything. With the pictures they have sent, like how to use it, the color code markings and all when you're putting the files in that. So now we see the component for it. This is the screen what I told you. Now we have a holder, we have a mouth clip. See, yes. So as you can see, we just have to attach it. This will go in the mouth, and one side we just have to attach the files. So when we are just using it in the patient mouth, uses of this gadget we will be elaborating in the next upcoming videos. So we just have to use this, and from here we can get the marking. As we are going towards the apex, you'll get a sound covering that says that now you have reached to the apex of the canal. So here there is no chances that we exceed the length of the canal, or else it's the GP shot, because with this, with every step, whenever you're doing BMP, that is a preparation of the canal, you can measure the canals. And what is the plus point of it? This as well as endomotor, both can be attached. That's the plus point of this gadget. Yes, you can use it parallelly, this as well as this. We just have a connection cord. With that we can connect this as well as this. So when you are doing BMP, you can connect with this apex locator. So accurately you will be doing the preparation of the canal. So now I'll come back to the endomotors. We all know how endomotors are useful on day-to-day practice now, because nowadays patient, like, they want to come and they want to finish the procedure as soon as possible. These gadgets will help a dentist to finish the procedure in a more precise and a perfect way and with less time consumption. So now is the component for this. As you can see, this is the base, or this is a holder, this is the endomotor. So with this endomotor, we have an instruction manual. In this clearly they have mentioned the list. As you can see, clearly it is mentioned what all things are incorporated in this and the uses of that. So I'm going to just read that for you. They have a charging base, a motor handpiece, a contra angle, a lubricator adapter, protective silicone covers. They have provided you 2 covers inside that, connecting, and an LED holder. As I told you, we have a connector, so we have a connecting tube, and a LED holder is there. That is also 2 in numbers. We have a USB wire in that. Then we have an instruction manual as what I am reading, and we have a certificate, a qualified certificate is there. We can just scan it out and check. We have a warranty card saying that a warranty of 1 year, and we have a list of all the things. So now as we can see, I'm going to just check it out. This is what, can you see the warranty card saying that? They will mention the date here. So this will give you the authenticity of the product as well as a warranty card. So yes, you have to just keep it safely. So now coming to the parts. This is the holder. This will give the stability to your endomotor. As when we are working, sometime by mistake if it fell down, if you're not having proper place to hold it, you just have to fix it like that. Can you see it? It will go nicely. See, it will not die. So we just, and we have a nice grip here. It's just fixed. So whenever you're working, you just have to hold it. We can just work it out and we can just push it back. That's it, right? And this we just have to charge it for initially for 8 hours. We have a you can see a battery operating system here. So from here you can read how much is the charge left out. So you can just get it charged. Before working, you just have to check for the charge. It's very easy to do. And we have a charging point here. So easily it can be charged. Now coming to this is the head of that. So we just have to take it out. We can just connect it out. Easy. And we just have to put the files and start working. See, it's very easy to work. As I told you in next upcoming video, I'll be just focusing more on how we are going to use in the patient mouth. This is what something we just, as we all know, when we are working, right? Any handpiece, we just have to oil it, right? After every uses. So can you see this? This is just, we have to fix it off. We just have to fix and you just put a oil here. So this will help, this will give you a more life to your handpiece. Otherwise, if you're not oiling it, if you're not maintaining it, then again clotting will be there inside. So this is also done. We have a separate case for it. You just have to keep it back inside. That's it. So we'll keep it aside. Now, as we told, right, this is the holders for that. Can you see it? This can be sterilized. This we just have to hold it in that. That's it. Done. So it's safe. Whenever you're working, you just have to take it out, autoclave it and reuse again. They will give you 2 pieces for that. That's it. So we have discussed every component of it. We have discussed how to use it, how to maintain it. Hopefully this is like, yes, very informative for all the practitioners, those who are doing daily basis root canal in the clinics, and you can just opt for it. It's a very good product from Woodpecker. It's a next generation, the 5th generation. I hope this video is very helpful to all of you. See you guys in my upcoming videos. Till that time, keep blushing, keep smiling.